So the next second example you are going to see with randint, we are going to do a binary search on list elements. For that thing we have to import randint function in our program. So from random module import randint, we have written a function definition def b search. It stands for binary search list, and the element which we are going to search, it is given here, and the procedures we have written here. First thing we have to do is we have to find the middle element of the element of that particular list. So length of list, integer division by 2, it will give you a mid value. In this array it is going to become 46, index of that one, that means 2 is going to become the mid value. Lower limit is going to become 0, higher limit is going to become the length of the list minus 1. Here it is 5, so high is going to become 4. That is the upper bound of that particular array. While L of mid not equal to the element which we are searching and lower limit is less than the higher one, we will repeat certain statements. So first we are going to check whether the element is greater than mid element. If it is so, in an ascending order array, we have to search in the right half of that particular array, because we are going to divide this particular list into two halves, left and right. So we have to search for the element either in this part or in this part. That is the advantage of binary search. If it's a linear search, it will search for an element by checking each element of a list. So in binary search, we will divide our list into two parts and we will do the searching. If it is lesser, it will search here. If it is higher, it will search in the other part. So now we are having 46 with us and we are going to search for 48. If it is so, you know that here mid value is 46, it is not equal to 48 which we are searching, and the lower limit it is 0 and the higher it is 4. So the element, that is our 48, is greater than 46. If it is so, low is equal to mid plus 1, because we have to search in the upper part only. Here only we have to search for. So right now here it is our mid. So the low is going to become mid plus 1, that means this location. Then here we are again calculating mid in this loop itself. That is the important thing, most important thing. So mid is equal to low plus high integer division 2. If we are trying to do it like this, we will get integer value only. Mid should not be integer, because mid is going to always going to represent the indices of our list. So it must be integer itself. So now the low is 3, 2 plus 1 it is 3, 3 plus 4 is going to become 7, 7 integer mod 2, it will give you an integer value 3. So here we are going back again. Now our mid is 48, element is also 48, because right now this is our mid. So both are equal, so this condition is failed, even though this condition is satisfied. Because of this AND operation, both the conditions, if they are correct only, we will be able to enter into while, otherwise we should come out. So now 48 is equal to 48, so we are coming out and we are checking here whether our low is greater than high. No, so else only we will go, we will return the mid. So mid it is 3, so 3 is going to return from this function. It is showing the correct location of a successful search, element 48. After writing this function definition, the remaining part of the program is written. A simply empty list named array is declared here, because we have to pass it to this particular function. We have to accept element from the user from the system itself. We are going to specify it using a for loop. So for I in range of 10. So 10 elements we are going to enter from 0 to 9. That means 10 elements altogether. We are going to append to the A dot append randint within bracket 1 comma 20. So within the range 1 to 20, 10 elements will be picked up randomly by the system itself, by the interpreter itself, and will get appended to the list A. Once we are getting these elements, it will not be in sorted order, it will be in random, shuffled order random. So we have to sort it first if you want to do the binary. That's a very important point in binary search. We should sort our array, then only we will be able to do the binary search. So for sorting, a dot sort we are giving. After sorting these elements in the list A, we are asking user to enter the search element. So it is being accepted from the user. It will be converted into integer because our list is also integer array, integer collection of values. So we are accepting the search element to be X. We are calling a print function to display the element found at. Along with that thing itself, we are calling our function bsearch with two arguments. One is A and X, that is the actual values we are supplying. A is going to the list L and X is going to element which we have to search. So it will do all these operations. It will come over here and the element found at 3 will be your output of this particular program.